Hello, Dr. Anderson here. Today I am talking about how to use a lumbar support. If you're experiencing low back pain, it can be helpful to have support while you're sitting in your chair, office desk, car. There are a lot of different sizes and different kinds. Some are more dense, some are more squishy. And it's good to try a few different ones out and see what feels best for you. You know you have the right support for your back because it'll feel relieving immediately once you start using the lumbar support. Sit your hips all the way back in your chair. Place the lumbar support very low at the base of the lumbar and the top of the hips. You'll know it's the right lumbar support for you because it'll immediately feel relieving and feel comfortable. If you're experiencing low back pain, give us a call at Revive.
Welcome to Revive Injury and Wellness in West Linn, Oregon. Our experienced team of chiropractors and massage therapist wellness professionals provide the best possible chiropractic care, laser therapy, and massage therapy to patients living with back pain, neck pain, headaches, and a variety of chronic pain conditions. At Revive Injury and Wellness, we utilize gentle chiropractic techniques, massage therapy, rehabilitative exercises, nutritional supplementation, and cold laser therapy to help you recover from back pain, neck pain, chronic pain, or injury from a workplace or auto accident. Our chiropractors and wellness team focus on the cause of your pain, not just the symptom, to help you lead a happier, healthier, pain-free life. We are here for you if you are in search of a chiropractor or accident and injury pain specialist in West Linn, Oregon, in Southeast Portland. Serving the communities of West Linn, Gladstone, Oregon City, Tualatin, Milwaukie, Wilsonville, Beavercreek, Canby, Molalla, Mulino, Clackamas, Willamette, Lake Oswego, and Happy Valley, Oregon in Clackamas County. Give us a call at 503-344-4378 and be sure to ask about our new patient special offer or visit our website at reviveinjury.com.